Hello everyone, I'm Chen Li. This is our group's assignment 3 report. We are team Simps. So this is our affinity diagram. We have updated from version 1 to version 3. This is our version 1. You can see this looks very messy. So this everyone's no. So it's just created and some are organized, some are not. So everybody's one is in a different section. And this is version 2. We have put some similar functions and similar meanings into one group. So you can see this, some are put well, some are not. So this is our final version, version 3. You can see this, we put the interview findings, and in the interview findings we have many different functions like camera recognition, instant handling, security, UI design, users feeling problem, and functional problem. So in this and for interview recommendations, we have the new features we need to add, the features we need to modify, and the hardware, software interaction, user interface, and so on. And the below are the advantages of our product. So you can see from version 1 to version 3, we have changed a lot. So at the end, our table is, our diagram is well organized. And this is our interview. These are our interview findings. The app cannot interact with other apps. What to do if an emergency occurs when in the log mode or night mode? Privacy protection is not good enough. Lack of color. So lack of reward system. This may bore the users when studying using this app. Lack of interaction with friends. If the user enters the study mode but leaves the camera area, do something else, the app cannot check whether this user is studying. If the user uses other devices to do other things while in study mode, the app cannot check. And if the smart app controls other devices, it's very complicated because it's an IoT, Internet of Things. And it's hard for the camera to recognize the user's current behavior. Yes, it is. And how does the system detect the user's open program is for study? And finally, the camera is troublesome. When studying, you have to face the camera. It's very difficult to stay within the camera range. So for these problems, we have some recommendations like include options for customization for the interface and features. Sync with phone calendar and add screen reminder. Study mode adds team function. All group members can directly supervise each other. Create a reward system. The user is rewarded with some points, so they feel motivated to use this app better. Dress up the wide-angle camera to make it more natural and beautiful. Add temporary emergency message function. The system asks and temporarily allows using social media for some time. If the camera detects the user has left the filming area, it's just sound the alarm and and send a message to call the student back. Multi-platform connection of mobile phones and computers, so they log on with the same user account and to monitor together. Develop a program whitelist, so in this whitelist all the programs can be used. Finally, allow applications to sync the mobile phone and other applications if needed, like device calendar and so on. So the problem statement is the user may not be concentrated on the study, and so we need to create something for them to focus on their study. And this is our reference product. For example, the forest, we plant trees, and for every 50 minutes. The pendle, we this is for like add the tasks, and set the timetable. What to do is similar to the previous two. So this one is like to have a timer to set the study time. So this is our persona. In this persona, we have updated it. This student, as a high school student, because our product is mainly focused on the high school student, as well as middle school student, but this is high school. So this is our updated hypothesis table. We have added more functions like the emergency handling, and the rewarding system. Yes, at the end of the features. So, for the reasons why we do this, why we do so, because in our interview we have found they said we may be bored when using this one. We may feel bored. We may anyway. We maybe leave the camera area. Yes. So for the demo, this is our code for the clock. So we have done the function. Our main function are timer and so on. Yeah, this is the timer. So here, two links are our demo videos. The first one is for the study mode, and the second one is for time manager. Here's our individual effort. So I did the interview, made and completed the affinity diagram, sort all findings and recommendations in the list that I have talked before in this video. So updated the prototype, made the narrative video, and made the prototype demo video. Melissa Wong. So she updated the prototype. She used the Xcode to achieve the function, set alarm. She interviewed 3 people. Actually, I interviewed 3 people as well. She edited the interview findings and recommendations. She updated the hypothesis table. We had John updated the persona, and he made an affinity diagram like this. This is a structure. Yes, he sorted his interview findings and recommendations. He interviewed 2 people and organized interview data. So Butler interviewed 2 people, wrote transcripts, added information to interview findings and recommendations. He added all interview findings and to affinity diagram. He edited grammar sentences throughout the presentation. He made a reference products list, and finally group discussion. So that's all for our assignment 3. Thanks for watching.